हेलो बच्चों, टुडे वी विल डू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक डिबगिंग. दिस इज पेज नंबर 112 of chapter 5, right? So debugging. A programmer can make mistakes while writing a program, and hence the program may not execute or may generate wrong output. So the mistakes are also known as bugs or errors, and the process of removing and identifying errors or bugs is known as debugging. So, debugging means removing or the process of removing mistakes, bugs, or errors from a program. So, we have different categories of errors, and these categories are syntax error, logical error, and third one is runtime error. So, first one is syntax error, right? Python has its own rules that determine its syntax. Syntax means rules pertaining to language. So Python interpreter interprets the statements only if it is syntactically correct. And if any syntax error is present, the interpreter shows error message and stop the execution there. For example, these parentheses are necessary. And if we skip any of the closing or opening parenthesis, it will be a syntax error. So such errors need to be removed before execution of the program. Hence, syntax error is an error which is related to syntax, right? Or if we do not follow the syntax, an error will generate, and that error will be known as syntax error. And how we can remove syntax error? To correct or use proper syntax. I am repeating again. Syntax means some rules and regulations related to Python language. Now next one is logical error, right? A logical error produce a undesirable output or undesired output, but without abrupt termination of execution of the program. Means program will execute, but we will get undesired output since the program interprets successfully even when logical error are present in it, right? So here program interpret successfully, but there may be some logical error. It is sometimes difficult to identify these errors. So logical errors are generally difficult to identify. The only evidence to the existence of logical error is wrong output. So how we can know the program has logical error? By checking its output. If output is wrong, it means there is some logical error. For example, if we wish to find the average of two numbers 10 and 12, right, and we write code 10 plus 2 oblique 2, so this will produce a wrong result, right? Why? This will produce 12 divided by 2 means 6, 10 plus 6, 16. It will give answer 16, whereas the correct answer is 10 plus 12 means 22 divided by 2, that is 11. So here output A will be wrong. If we will use this, output will be this, but we need this statement and this will be the right answer, right? Because here we have not taken any brackets, right? That's why it will execute this one separately and this one separately. So this one, output of this one will be 6 and 10, 10 plus 6, 16, whereas we have put brackets here, so it will execute this one first. 10 plus 12, 22 divided by 2, output will be 11, which is correct answer and average. So logical errors are also known as semantic errors, as they occur when meaning of the programs is not correct. So keep in mind, logical errors are also known as semantic errors. Now next one is runtime error. A runtime error causes abnormal termination of program while executing, right? It means program will execute, but it will abnormally terminate the program. It generally occurs when the statement is correct syntactically, but interpreter cannot execute it. Means syntactically the statement will be correct, but interpreter will not able to execute it. For example, division by 0, right? So division by 0, if we will divide any number with 0, syntactically it is correct, but any number divided by 0 will be infinite value. So output will be infinite value, which is not representable. So it will abnormally terminate the program, right? So let us revise quickly all the things. Debugging means removing errors or bugs from a program. So there are three types of error: syntax error, logical error, and runtime error. Syntax error will occur when syntax of program is not followed, or when we do not follow rules and regulation of the programming language. Second one is logical error. In logical error, syntax will be okay. It will execute the program. Okay, interpreter will execute the program. But here output will be undesired. Output will be wrong. Right? Whereas in runtime error, there will be no syntax error and no logical error, but interpreter will not able to execute. Why? Because of the certain conditions, such as inappropriate data type, use of inappropriate data type. If you are dividing any integer with a string, output will be nothing. So in such type of error comes under runtime error. One more example of runtime error is divisible by 0. If you are trying to divide any number with 0, it will give infinite, and which is not representable. So in such case runtime error will occur. So this is today's topic: debugging and types of debugging or types of error. How we can remove this error? Syntax error, we can remove syntax error by using proper syntax. How we can remove logical error? Using appropriate or correct logics, right? And how we can remove runtime error? By using appropriate data type and not use 0 as divisor. So thank you very much.